Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to review another website, that is listed.com. So if you are curious to know about this website, we are going to share unbiased review with you. Stay tuned with us, watch the video and you will get the information regarding listed.com. So it is actually an online shopping website that offers a wide range of products at a very reasonable price. You can find different types of products here like electronics, games, gadgets, kitchen items and many more. The items are listed so you won't have to waste your time searching for the products. You can find anything you need on this website. According to about a section of literature, it provides products of different country and areas like the United States and other countries. So let's check out the specification of this website. The address is www.listed.com, which is HTTP secured. It was registered on 10th June 2021. The email address they have mentioned is matching the domain name, which is a good sign. They have mentioned their contact details. The positive points of shopping from listed.com is that you can have access of different products at the same time. You don't have to visit different website for a single product. The prices are reasonable and many offers are given to the customer. It accepts different modes of shop payment and ships the products worldwide. The disadvantage is that no information is available on regarding the reviews online. The website seems shady as the offers and prices are too good to believe. Not much information is given about this website. There is no review section on the product. All the products are always on sale, which makes this site suspicious. So as far as we are discussing about the legitimacy of this website, we are going to some other parameters. So by and we will decide either this is legit or a scam. So as a domain age is just 22 days. It is registered on 10 June 2021. It has 1% trust index score, which is not good score. The site seems suspicious as there are no customer reviews regarding the website and products, and the spelling of kitchen is written as kitchenette at its official website, and the contact address is not available on the portal. So as we are talking about the reviews, after observing a couple of things on the website, we can say that the reviews are not promising and positive. People don't trust this website much, and the website itself looks shady, and there aren't any customer reviews present because the site was just launched recently. So in our opinion, you should avoid this website to buy your household items and choose a trusted and genuine website for ordering products online. That's all from our side, and we are not trusting this website, and we are not recommending our viewers to go and shop from listed.com.